my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this super simple look. Flawless skin, no eyeshadow, just some big ass lashes, honey. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So jumping right into it, we are going to be starting off with primer, of course. And for primer, I have this little sample of the Fenty Beauty matte primer. I have been dying to get my hands on this. So of course I had to go stop by Sephora, see if they can give me a little sample. And why not get free samples if they're offering free samples, if instead of buying like the full size and wasting product, wasting money, all of that. So I decided to go ahead and get a little sample, and I hope I do like it, and I hope that it does its job. Of course, you guys know that I will let you know whether I like it or not and whether it did a good job or not. So like the other Fenty primer, it does feel like a moisturizer. It goes on really smooth. But we're going to see if this is a true mattifying primer. This primer doesn't claim to fill pores or anything like that. So as far as that, I'm not expecting much. So I'm just putting it in my T-zone area where I get oily, my nose. And I'm basically just spreading it out to the rest of my face. So I'm actually having a date night today. Tonight, me and my boyfriend. So it's crazy because we're only going to the movies and maybe to go get some food or something like that. Just something real chill. I just have on this Guns N' Roses t-shirt. Something real simple. I'm wearing Vans, some jeans. But anyways, like, it really does feel matte. But my point for telling you that was, I'm trying some new products. And I'm not going to be out for a long time. So that's why I decided to go ahead and try these products out tonight. Because, honey, I don't have time to be sleeping when I need my makeup to last. So tonight is pretty much a night that I can play with. You literally don't need much of this primer at all. Like, that literally just covered my entire face. Hopefully they come out with like a miniature version of this primer, because I really don't need to buy any more full-size primer. Like, I really need to chill out. I actually need to chill out on everything. Like, I need to be good on everything, you guys, because I am just terrible. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Born This Way Too Faced Born This Way. And I have not used this foundation a whole lot. And this foundation does give pretty good coverage. It gives me a medium coverage. It's not super matte. It's more of a natural finish foundation. I have used this foundation here on my channel before. I just need a really mattifying primer. That's why I'm excited to try this Fenty one, especially since this primer claims to be a matte primer. I tend to like more mattifying foundations, because if you guys suffer from smile lines or anything like that, I feel like you need something matte, because matte foundation is going to stay put. It's not going to move. And also you need some really good setting powder. And the only foundations that have not settled into my smile lines is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is my favorite, y'all already know, and my second favorite, which is the Fenty Beauty. Those are the only two foundations that do not settle into my smile lines. I have not worn this Too Faced Born This Way enough to tell you guys whether it settles in my smile lines or not, because normally when I wear, I don't wear for that long. But today, I guess I'm going to be testing it out. I actually really do love the finish on this foundation. Like, it is really beautiful. And it's not like a too dewy natural, but it's a really, it's a good natural. Like, it looks like skin. And next, I'm going to go ahead and conceal. And for concealer, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I have literally put this concealer down. Like, I have not used this concealer in a while. But it's in my makeup kit, and I really do like this concealer. But my favorite drugstore concealers are, of course, Maybelline. I really like this one, but you do have to keep like pumping it out, and also you have to build it up. But it is a really nice concealer. So now I'm just taking like the flat side of it, and I'm just blending out the edges where my foundation and the concealer meets. And lately my under eyes, like in this area right up in here, has been like super dry. So I really do appreciate this concealer because it's not a matte concealer. Like, I feel like this concealer is also a natural finish. And for my under eye setting powder, I'm going to be using the Too Faced, I'm not even pronouncing that. This is basically their translucent powder. And I'm basically, and it also comes in colors too, but I just have the translucent one, so that's the one that we're going to be using today. And I'm only using a little bit of powder because, like I said, I have been super dry underneath my eyes. So I can only imagine what this fall / winter weather is about to be like. Not only does this powder and concealer combination looks really good, it feels really good, and my eyes don't feel like super dry. And then I'm taking my Black Radiance Rich Mahogany Press Powder, and I'm going to use this to go ahead and chisel out my nose. And then to bronze up my skin, I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC blush in Swiss Chocolate. Yes, this is a blush, but I actually enjoy using it as a bronzer. So I just realized that I forgot to set my face before applying bronzer, but thank God that this foundation does go good with more than, you know, other products that aren't Too Faced. And then for my blush, I'm using a super throwback. So this is the Black Radiance Artesian Baked Blush, and it is in Toasted Almond. I love this blush because it really just makes your face look really warm, and especially since I'm not wearing a bold lip, I feel like that I can wear a bold blush like this. It's not crazy or anything, but you definitely are going to be able to tell I got this on, because you guys know that I love blush. And I'm kind of heavy-handed when it comes to it. And this is a baked blush, so it does have a little bit of shimmer in it. But I really do like this blush because I feel like that it's going to pair great with this foundation. Especially since we got a natural thing going on here. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and this one is in Crown of My Canopy. Wet n Wild highlighters are like some of the first highlighters that I started using, but I still love Wet n Wild highlighters. Like, these are like one of my favorite drugstore highlighters. The Maybelline is killer, but this Wet n Wild is like the starter. Like, this is what I first started using, and it is just beautiful every time I put it on. And because this highlighter has like some pinky undertones in it, I'm taking this golden highlighter. This is by Wet n Wild too, but this was a limited edition one. It has just a little bit more gold in it, and I'm just going to put this one right on top of it. And before we move on, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. And before we do lips, I'm going to go ahead and pop on my lashes. So the lashes that I'm using are these lashes, and these are from Aliexpress. Let me see if y'all can see them. There it is. There they are. The glare was kind of getting to them, but there they are. They are beautiful, you guys. Like, these lashes are so beautiful. These are honestly the most dramatic lashes I have ever worn and will wear. Honestly, because I'm just not that type of person, because lashes these days, you guys, have gotten clearly completely out of hand. Like, I don't even know what's going on at this point with lashes. Like, they're tarantulas at this point. Like, they're not even called eyelashes anymore. Like, it's crazy. So I know you guys are gonna let me know what you think. So I'm looking for my tweezers. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on, and I want you guys to let me know if you think they are too dramatic or what you think. So I'll be back. So lashes are on, and boy do I feel like these are the most dramatic lashes ever. But honestly, you guys, these are the most dramatic lashes I've personally ever worn. And no, these are not 25mm lashes. These are just regular mink lashes from Aliexpress, the E11s. Everybody talks about these lashes on YouTube. And I have so many Aliexpress lashes, you guys. I'm actually thinking about doing a lash try on. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. So you guys can see how the different styles look. So if you want to order off Aliexpress, you'll know what styles to pick from and stuff like that, or what you think you personally would like. So we're gonna go ahead and fill in my mole, my beauty mark, honey. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and top off the lashes with some of my Better Than Sex mascara. This is like my favorite mascara, especially for my bottom lashes. And then for my lip, I'm going to be using the Anastasia lipstick in Soft Touch. And this lipstick, this is my first time wearing it. I do have a few glosses to choose from, because you know we're going to put some gloss on that thing. Y'all already know I'm a gloss girl. So I do have a few glosses to choose from. But whatever I choose, I want to make sure that I can still see the actual color of the gloss, the lipstick. Especially since this is my first time rocking this lipstick. Let's find my lip liner. Found it. So this is the NYX Suede lip liners. Basically, it's a matte lip liner, and this is in the shade Club Hopper. But let's go ahead and add some highlighter to my Cupid's bow, because I really liked that last time. And these are matte lipsticks, by the way. The Anastasia lipsticks. It's a little bit more pink than I wanted it to be, but it's really, really pretty. And by the way, you guys, like when Anastasia say these are matte, like they're matte. So who mows the lawn at like 8 o'clock at night? We do over here. So if you guys keep hearing like the lawnmower, it's crazy over here. It's crazy, y'all. So since I want to keep the color that I have, I'm gonna go ahead and just use some clear gloss. This is the NK lip gel. I love these clear lip glosses. Like, these are the best lip glosses. The beauty supply store has the best glosses. This one is the rose hip one. This is my first time using this one, but I actually like how it smells, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And by the way, you guys, I am going to be doing a video featuring my favorite lip combinations. So make sure you look out for that. Not lip combinations, my clear lip gloss collection. So make sure you guys look out for that. That's going to be pretty lit. So this is just some clear gloss, and I'm just using it on this concealer brush. It smells so good. And I'm using a concealer brush because I don't like for my glosses to look dirty looking, and to have like the residue from the lip liner and the lipstick inside of it. I'm crazy like that. So this is just something super simple and super quick for those times that you don't know how you want to wear your makeup. No eyeshadow, none of that. If you want to go out real quick, honey, just throwing you some big ass tarantula lashes and some gloss and a lip and keep it kicking, a bunch of highlighter, and that's it. And you glowing, sis. You good to go. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you keep on coming back, honey, because you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams, and I will see you guys in my next video.